Hello students, today we are going to observe the news report which we have already completed, and biographical sketch once again follows with summative grammar revision and all models of tenses, active voice and passive voice, phrasal verbs, etc. Now come on, look at the study material, page number 156, a news report. It was already completed to us. Once again, some points to remember. Every report has a specific purpose, and so its presentation is directly linked to the purpose. A report must be presented in a systematic manner with an introduction, background, specific details and conclusion. Newspaper report usually talk of events in the recent past or those which are to happen in a near future. Depending on the time of the event, the appropriate tense is used. The tone of the report is usually impersonal and detached. A factual account of the event, experiment, survey is given in an objective manner. Passive voice is often used in the course of the report. Sometimes, as in a live cricket commentary, events are narrated as they occur and the tone is one of total involvement. Reference and statements of other persons may be quoted using inverted commas. Introduction to the subject matter should not be long. The subject is introduced in the opening line itself. A heading is provided at the top of the report. The main components of a standard report: introduction, discussion or description, conclusion, recommendation. Now here is an example to you. Write a report on child labor. It should focus on the exploitation and ill treatment of small children by owners of small industrial units. First, you will be giving a title there, which is in title itself you should be identified what the report is about and from which place you are going to write. After completing it, the newspaper, the day and date. Next, going with the report on accident in which a motorcyclist was killed instantaneously when he dashed a lorry while overtaking it. Here is second example, third example of the news report, and fourth example, page 158. Please go through the report writings. Next, followed with biographical sketch. This was also completed. APJ Abdul Kalam. In biographical sketch, the details will be given to you. Now you should frame it into the paragraph. One question to answer by you in your notes. Write a biographical sketch of Raghuram Rajan, ex-RBI governor, who is one of the best economists in India. Use the hints given below. Once it is already given to you. Once again, if you did not write, try to complete this. The details are given about Raghuram Govind Rajan, his birth, qualification, position held, awards and hobbies. Please try to write it in your notes clearly. Like a 3 paragraphs. First para introduction, second paragraph about the studies and his qualification, third paragraph his awards. Followed lesson based writing skills. ICCAT lesson we have already completed. Now here is given to you to write a diary entry of the feelings of the teacher in the first question, and second one, after having understood the lesson, the story of ICCAT, write a letter to your friend describing the process of weaving of pattern and explain in detail about the skill displayed by the weaver. So first one is about the diary entry, second one talking about write a letter to your friend. And this writing skill should be written by you in the notes itself, as we have completed all the creative writings, the model of writing, examples of writing, conversation, news report, diary entry, formal letters, informal letters. So try to make it, and hope take some time even if the students did not complete writing the discourses of all lessons, because we are going to end the term 1 material. Now summative grammar revision. Tenses. We have completed the tenses. So let's start doing this worksheet. Choose the correct answers. Look, the sun dash over the hills. Rises, rise, is rising, has risen. Which tense we need to take? The beginning it started with look, means the present we are observing. The sun dash over the hills. What is the right option for this? Is rising. We dash our breakfast an hour ago. Ago, talking about the completed action. An hour, 1 hour before the action completed. So which tense has to be written? Finished. Option C, past tense. I dashed my exercise when Hari came to see me. When, talking about two actions, earlier action, later action. Now which action is given? Hari came to see me. Past action, that is later action. Now we should try the earlier action which has to be written in past perfect. Now the right answer, had done. Option D. Turn your page. When I saw him, he dashed chess. When I saw him, it is not talking about earlier, later. The moment the action which has started in the past. He dashes was playing. Past continuous. They dashed the bridge for several months. It's so clear for the preposition used, so it should be written in present perfect continuous. They have been building the bridge. Still it's not completed. So option A. She jumped off the bus while it dashed. So which action? Yes, past continuous, was moving. This paper dashed twice weekly. Only 2 times it is going to come. Future also it is going to happen. Now this paper appears. Option C. I suppose it dashed when we start. The action not yet completed. It may happen, suppose. So it will be raining. Option B. We dash for his call since 4:20 p.m. We is already given in option D. Please strike off we. Have been waiting. The clock dash just dash 10. All you know about it. The right answer, option A. First blank has, second blank struck. My uncle dash tomorrow. See, please on option B add yes form. My uncle, subject is singular, it is a subject verb agreement question. Tomorrow, future action. So future can be written either in simple present or future. So the right option here is arrives as form. Now please go through these questions and try to answer, and at the end of the video observe these answers. Next 161 page, active and passive voice. Already we completed. Let's check the right correct options. Choose the correct answers. They offered me a chair. Identify the verb offered. Which tense? Past tense. So it should be written in the passive form. I was offered a chair. By them is not written, but the option A is right. I was offered a chair by them. If it's not there, you just go with I was offered a chair is also correct. By them or without by them, option A right. The carpenters were making the furniture. Given in past continuous. So the right answer, option B. The furniture was being made by the carpenters. They have postponed the program. Have postponed, present perfect. Now while changing to passive, the program, subject is singular, has been postponed by them. Option C. He will paint the wall. Will paint talks about future. The wall will be painted by him. Option A. She beats the drum. Beats, simple present. The drum is beaten by her. Option C. He has broken the mugs. Has broken, present perfect. The mugs, as they were in plural, helping verb is also a plural, have been broken by him. Option C. Bring the chair here. Let the chair be brought here, because It is an imperative sentence follows with let. Read well. Order. You are advised to read well as this is the right suitable answer. Who wrote this letter? When the question begins with who in active, in passive it should be started with by whom, and the tense given is in the past. By whom was this letter written, and with a question mark. Option B. We can't take up this work now. Can't take up, talking about the modal verb can't, we cannot change into could because it is not a direct indirect. This work can't be taken up now by us. Option C. Mr. Kumar taught us English. We were taught English by Mr. Kumar. Option A. Who is opening the door? Again, who? It begins with who. So, by whom is the door being opened? Because the question is given in present continuous. So, option D is the right one. The cat drank all the milk. All the milk was drunk by the cat drank all the milk. Drank is in the past form. All the milk was drunk by the cat. Mother has cooked the dinner. Has cooked is present perfect. The dinner has been cooked by mother. The attendant was ringing the bell. Was ringing is in the past continuous. The bell was being rung by the attendant. Option C. The enemy bombed the city last night. Bombed, past tense. The city was bombed last night by the enemy. The High Court judge will conduct the enquiry. The enquiry will be conducted by a High Court judge. Option A. The auditors are checking the accounts. Are checking, present continuous. The accounts are being checked by the auditors. Option C. A committee makes the selection of students. The selection of students are made by a committee. Option A. Because the tense given is simple present. He ordered his servant to wait. Ordered past form. His servant was ordered to wait by him. As by him is not given also, it's not a wrong. Option C is the right one. The next one, 163 page, a new topic, phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs, there are certain verbs which take more than one preposition. The meaning of this combination of a verb and preposition is different from the initial meaning of the verb. Such combinations are known as verbal phrases. Their function is to make the language flexible and beautiful. So, phrasal verb structure, what do we say? Verb plus preposition. Sometimes two prepositions are also added here. Now, exercise is given to you. First one, name after. See here, name after meaning. Meaning is very important. If you know the meaning, you can frame into one sentence. Give the same name as another person. That is called name after. The street was named after Louis after his death. Nod off. You all know this. Nod off, fall asleep. He was nodding off when she went near him. Pass away, die. My grandpa passed away last year. Pass on, transmit. Please pass on the information immediately. Pass out, faint. Don't confuse. Pass on, transmit. Pass out, faint. He nearly passed out when he saw blood in the spot. Pick on. Choose someone to blame, punish, etc. He always tried to pick on his companion. Pick out. Select. Lakshmi picked out red saree. So choose. Pick out meaning select something. Pick up. It has three. Learn, correct, give someone a lift. Basing on the sentence, the meaning changes. So if you are going to write about learn, Ravi is very quick to pick up new theme. If you talk about collect, he picked up some flowers. Give someone a lift, he daily picks me up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Play up, cause pain or discomfort, one meaning. Second, make something seem more important. Example, for causing pain or discomfort, my knee has been playing me up this week. Make something seem more important, she always plays up her achievements. play down, minimize or make something appear less important. Management has been playing down the possibility of job losses. Pull through, overcome difficulties or illness. He has pulled through his severe illness. Put off, postpone. The examinations will be put off. And next page, we have many more examples from page 164 and 165 and 166. 4 means up to 50 phrasal verbs along with meaning and own sentences are given. Please learn them, which are very important to you in your daily language. Now open 166 page, cloze test. Actually, what is called cloze test? It is basically a reading comprehension where a certain set of words are missing. Look here you will observe words are missing. It is like a blank to you to fill it. The passage has a definite structure, logical pattern and chronological order which helps in maintaining a unified tone throughout. To solve this cloze test, student must possess vocabulary as well as impeccable grammatical skills. If you have the proper vocabulary skills, then it is so easy to do it. See, you have already know about the editing the passage means correction, but here in the cloze test they will underline the place, the blank, and options will be given to you. But before doing the cloze test, look the tense from starting to ending. If it is in present, it entirely follows with the present, and you will be observing all grammar skills like tenses, prepositions, articles, etc. Now come on, let's start doing it. My mother waved me goodbye and the bus dashed. The man sitting dash to me was a doctor dash to Kannur dash participate in a conference. My mother waved me goodbye and the bus. See here, so clear to understand. Option 1, options given to you: going, started, arrived, stopped. Waved me goodbye. It is so clear to you given in the past form. So automatically when the mother given goodbye, when the mother is going to say bade goodbye to us, when the bus started. So and the bus options, what is the correct one? Started is the correct option B. The man sitting dash to me. Sitting dash to me, which is the right one? Next in these options, option A was a doctor dash to Kannur, going to Kannur dash participate in a conference. See, 2 plus V1. Here what we use is to participate, option A. So first one B, second A, third C, fourth A. Now second passage, essentially I am interested in dash world, in this dash, not in some other dash or a future life. So if you go through 2 or 3 times, you will be getting the answer. Essentially I am interested in dash world, this, that, real, imaginary. I am interested. You are talking that you are interested. Can we state that real, imaginary? No. So what do we say? Option A, in this world. In this, reality, existence, truth cannot be used. So we'll go with the life, in this life. Not in some other dash or a future life. Not in some other. Reality, world, life, plan. Which is the right one? Some other world. See, once if you read, you cannot get this passage. So until you understand, you need to continue reading the passage. Now second one, option 1 is A, 2A, 3B. And the last passage, whether there is such a dash as a soul or whether there is survival after dash or not, I do not know. And important as these dash are, they do not trouble men in dash. Whether there is such a thing, option B, as a soul. Whether there is survival after what happens? Life? No, we cannot say. Existence? No. Reality? No. So the right answer, whether there is survival after death, option C, or not, I do not know. And important as these problems, situations, questions, queries, as these questions are, they do not trouble men in. Which is the right one? The least, the most, not at all, actually the best. The right option, in the least. So, for passage 3, first one B option, second one C option, third one C, fourth one A. These are the answers for the closed test. By this, we ended our term 1 material. Students who did not complete the material, once again go through the videos and try to complete the study material. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.